Hello everyone, welcome to Arafat English Journey channel. Today is day 2 of my English speaking challenge and today's topic is bad habits. So you are new viewers in my video, you must be watch my first video, then you think why I am create this channel. So let's get start my video. I think everyone has bad habits. Not everyone agree on what bad habits are. Some smokers think smoking is a not bad habits, and some young people think loud listening music is not a bad habits. To be honest, I have a lot of bad habits. Most of the time, I waste my time in social media, basically Facebook or YouTube, and my waste time and my most bad habits is when I wake up, I took my phone, then I saw videos. It will be distract my time, and this break my golden hour. Morning first hour means golden hour. So, have you ever break your bad habits? You must be try, and I am trying. I break my bad habits. Two bad habits. First, waste sleeping. More time unwanted sleeping, morning time sleeping. It's not a good habit. I break it slowly and break eating junk food or any oil, most more oil foods. So it's my bad habit. I think you understand, and I'm explain what is bad habits and how I break this. But it's a demo video and it's not a length video. Actually, I'm new start and I'm completely not speaking, but uh, I I think I try to fluent and talking confidence build up